Okay, so 736 on the key of E major. I'm sure you're familiar with E. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to the 1. So break down real quick. The first chord, we have the melody line, obviously. So with a slow here from F sharp to A flat. So first chord on my left hand side, I have E flat and C sharp. So on my right hand side, I'm using my thumb to play F sharp and A flat together. Then I have C sharp and yeah, A flat is still on top. So we have the next chord, which is over the 3. So I play this twice. This is F sharp or G flat. Then I have a root less on my left, which is A flat. So next chord, left hand side is C sharp. Right hand side we have F sharp, B flat, and C sharp. Then on my left hand side I have C and E flat. Right hand side I have F sharp, A, and C. F sharp is still on the top, I didn't change it. Then we come to the 6. So I did this slow from D, E flat to E. So left hand side I have C sharp, A flat, and E. Then with an arpeggio on my right hand side, playing the F sharp, A flat, and B. Then I repeated the same thing. Since this is E, this is more flexible. My left hand will now play C sharp. Then right hand will play the whole of E major triad, adding the 2. So right hand will be playing E, F sharp, A flat, and B. Then left hand like so. Play it in succession. So something like this. Then we'll come back to the 4. So right hand side, this is E flat and A flat played together. Then E, E flat, and C sharp. Left hand side, this is A, E, and B. Then right hand side, I have B on the top. So then next chord, just like patting the notes, left hand side is playing E to F sharp, while your right hand side is playing C sharp to E flat. Play it together like that. Then I take it from E, E flat to C sharp. So the last chord still A, E, and A. Then right hand side is playing B and E with a rootless A on the left.